Oui, bonsoir chers internautes, vous qui nous suivez de partout au monde. Aujourd'hui, au travers de votre émission, nous venons vous présenter encore une fois nos frères, nos amis de la diaspora, nos bien-aimés de partout au monde se sont soulevés aujourd'hui à Washington DC, devant la Maison Blanche, pour manifester, montrer leur mécontentement vis-à-vis de tout ce qui se passe au Congo, précisément à l'Est, là où il y a la guerre, là où il y a le M23 qui continue toujours à mater le peuple congolais et à continuer à faire des crimes contre l'humanité, à violer les femmes, à tuer les enfants, à faire tout ce qui n'est pas bon contre la vie de l'homme dans la ville de Goma. Alors, nous vous invitons à suivre les images et à regarder comment nos frères de Washington DC, de Maryland et de Virginia se sont manifestés devant la Maison Blanche et ils ont haussé leur voix pour dire que non à la balkanisation et non à la division du Congo. Regardez l'image.
November 28th, Wednesday, November 28th, 2012. We're here in front of the White House. The Congolese people in the region, Washington DC, Maryland and Virginia, we're here to express that our disappointment about the Congolese government not being able to defend the people in North Kivu, South Kivu and the whole eastern region of the Congo. We're here to say no to the presence of this terrorist group of M23. They call themselves M23. Yesterday they were called CNDP. They keep changing their names but pursuing the same purpose of killing Congolese innocent civilians and raping young girls, women, shattering the dreams of the whole country, shattering the dreams of our people, killing an entire generation. So we march here, we rallied here from 11 a.m. until now. It's about, we dispersed the people like around 2:30 p.m. And the message was clear to the President Obama to do something to stop this madness, to do something against the governments of Rwanda and Uganda, Museveni and Kagame supporting this movement that is basically killing our people and causing such a disaster in the whole region. So that's why we're here, and I think we're going to repeat the same message for our brothers and sisters who speak French. Nous sommes de Washington DC, Maryland et Virginia. Nous sommes venus ici protester l'invasion extérieure de notre territoire, le Congo, par les troupes du M23, qui n'est autre qu'un mouvement de terroristes soutenu par le gouvernement du Rwanda et de l'Ouganda. Et nous avons demandé au président Obama de prendre des actions concrètes et solides en sanctionnant les deux gouvernements du Rwanda et de l'Ouganda qui sont en train d'utiliser l'aide leur apportée par les organisations et les pays étrangers au fin de militariser la région et de déstabiliser le Congo. En ce moment où nous parlons, des jeunes filles, des familles entières sont dispersées, ne sachant où aller. Nous parlons ici des millions d'individus, nous parlons ici de milliers et des milliers de Congolais qui souffrent en ce moment. Donc cela doit prendre fin et c'est pour ça que nous sommes ici et ça va prendre fin.
Merci. Aujourd'hui même encore dans la ville de New York City, là où il y a eu encore une fois le sit-in, là où les Congolais se sont levés devant le bureau de l'ancien président des États-Unis d'Amérique, dont vous connaissez bien qu'il s'agit de messieurs Bill Clinton, là où le peuple congolais se sont présentés aujourd'hui pour hausser la voix et dire aux Nord-Américains, dire aux Américains que si aujourd'hui le peuple congolais souffre, si aujourd'hui il y a la guerre, si aujourd'hui il y a 9 millions de morts, 9 millions de blessés, 9 millions de viols au Congo, c'est dû à un monsieur qui a soutenu la guerre au travers le Rwandais, qui a soutenu les Rwandais, qui a soutenu les rebelles congolais. Aujourd'hui, voilà que le M23 est là, mais qui ne cesse d'opérer sous toujours l'appui du Rwanda. Suivez les images.
Yeah, brothers and sisters, come take a look. Take a look at what's happening in Africa, in Central Africa, in the Congo. 9 million people have been killed. They're burned, they're gang raped. We need everybody's help to stop it. So take a look at the pictures. that are coming from Central Africa, from the Congo, where there's a Holocaust of 9 million people going on even now. Get a flyer. Help us. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help. Over 9 million Africans have died in Central Africa, in the Congo. They are killing even today, even right now. So we need your help. Get a flyer. Mr. Musulu, Mr. Musulu. Get a flyer, please, and help us stop what's happening in the Congo. Take a look. They are gang raping, killing little children, men, women, burning them, just so that they can get diamonds, gold, all kinds of minerals. Help us stop the genocide. Help us stop the genocide in the Congo. Help us stop the Holocaust taking place in Central Africa. Over 9 million have died. They gang rape the little girls, women, children. They kill them. Some of them are burned alive. Help us. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Help us stop what's happening in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died in the worst way. Gang rape, children, little girls, burned alive, killed. We need your help. Stop by and look at the pictures. Stop by and take a flyer. We need your help. Help us call the White House. Ask President Obama to stop it. Help us. We are here so you know that this has been going on since 1996. When former President Bill Clinton allowed Rwanda, Uganda, and Burundi to invade the Congo. So we need your help to stop what has been happening. Over 9 million people have died. Stop by and take a flyer.
Oui, chers combattants, combattantes, vous qui nous suivez de partout au monde, aujourd'hui nous sommes là devant le bureau de celui qui a commencé la guerre au Congo, dont il s'agit de monsieur, ancien président des États-Unis d'Amérique, monsieur Bill Clinton. Alors aujourd'hui nous sommes là devant son bureau, là où il travaille, là où il y a sa fondation. Et vous voyez là devant nous, il y a les compatriotes congolais qui se mettent là debout avec des flyers, avec des banderoles pour manifester leur ras-le-bol, de présenter devant les Américains, de dire que trop c'est trop. Aujourd'hui les Congolais sont sortis encelés précisément à Harlem pour manifester leur ras-le-bol et dire aux Américains que la guerre, s'il y a aujourd'hui la guerre au Congo, s'il y a aujourd'hui la mort, s'il y a aujourd'hui des crimes, et que des rebelles ne cessent de faire des désordres au Congo, se dit à Bill Clinton, celui qui a commencé cette guerre, et c'est celui qui a déclaré que le Rwanda et l'Ouganda puissent entrer au Congo et voler tout ce qui est comme richesse des Congolais. Et aujourd'hui, les Congolais sont sortis en ces lieux pour manifester et montrer leur mécontentement vis-à-vis des M23 qui vient encore de se relever et de prendre la ville de Goma. C'est pour cela que le peuple congolais sont sortis aujourd'hui devant le bureau de Bill Clinton pour manifester leur ras-le-bol. Alors, à côté de moi là, vous allez bien voir qu'il y a des banderoles, il y a des flyers, il y a des photos qui représentent que le peuple congolais ont souffert, le peuple congolais ont vu tant de morts, aujourd'hui ils sont sortis pour manifester leur mécontentement. Merci, suivez les images.
The phone number is listed. the phone number is listed. And ask President Obama to put a stop to it. So he can stop it tomorrow. And ask the guy who's killing and helping kill the people in Africa, in the Congo, to leave. We are here, as you know, because it started out in 1996 when Bill Clinton allowed Rwanda, Uganda, and Burundi to invade the Congo. You can see the picture here with Paul Kagame, the president of Congo. So we are here, ladies and gentlemen, to ask you to help us. That's the Holocaust in the Congo. I want everybody to know that if it wasn't for Bill Clinton in 1996, we wouldn't have had 9 million Congolese die since 1996. So help us, ladies and gentlemen. Help us to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Take a look at the evidence. Take a look at the pictures. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. The White House telephone number is listed. Over 9 million Congolese have died in Central Africa since 1996. And they are still killing them. So we need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at the pictures. Take a look at the evidence of the Congolese people who have died, who have been killed in the Congo. They are still dying today. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Get a flyer. You can get a flyer here from our sister sitting over here. Please get a flyer. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Help us, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Please take a flyer. We got a link here. The sister giving flyers out. Take a look at what they're doing to children. Gang raping the women. And killing little children. Please help us. Stop what's happening in the Congo. Take a look at the pictures. Take a look at the Holocaust in the Congo. They gang rape women and little girls. And they burn them alive. They kill men, women, and children. So that people can have diamonds, gold, coltan, and cell phone that you have. 80% of the coltan is coming from the Congo. Help us, ladies and gentlemen. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Take a look at the pictures. What they are doing to women, little girls in the Congo. Help us, ladies and gentlemen. Please call the White House. The telephone number is listed. Call the White House and ask for the phone number of President Obama. Help us, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at the pictures of the Holocaust taking place in the Congo. Take a look at the photos of women and little girls gang raped and burned alive. Take a look at the pictures. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo, being perpetrated by Rwanda, Uganda, and Burundi. Take a look at the photos, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at the Holocaust in the Congo. How they are killing, raping, men, women, and children. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Get a flyer, please. Call the White House and ask President Obama to stop the Holocaust taking place in the Congo, to stop the raping of little girls and women in the Congo. Ask President Obama, he can stop it tomorrow. Get a flyer from the sisters sitting here, please. Take a look at the pictures, take a look at the evidence, and help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We are here because it's been going on since 1996. When President Bill Clinton allowed Rwanda, Uganda, and Burundi to invade the Congo, and they've been killing and gang raping since 1996. Over 9 million people have died. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. We need your help. Call the White House. The phone number is listed. Call the White House, ask President Obama to stop it. He can stop it tomorrow. Because he is asking people who are gang rapists and who are allowing these foreign people who are killing the Congo. Take a look at the pictures, ladies over 2 million women and little girls have been gang raped.
Welcome, sir.
So we need to have, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, get the phone number. Get the phone number for the White House. Call and leave a message to President Obama. Ask President Obama to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We can stop it tomorrow. Get a flyer, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Get a flyer, ladies and gentlemen. Get a phone number for President Obama and call and leave a message. Ask President Obama to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. We need your help. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo since 1996. In gang-raped little girls and women, burned alive. Look at the pictures, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the photos, ladies and gentlemen. Please help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Get the phone number for the White House, ladies and gentlemen, and listen. Call the White House. Leave a message with President Obama. Ask the President to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the pictures. Look at the evidence of women who are gang raped and little children. And some of them are burned alive. Get a fire, ladies and gentlemen. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Call the President. Call President Obama. Leave a message. Ask him to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo since 1996. Little girls and women are gang raped. Please look at the pictures, ladies and gentlemen. Help us to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died since 1996 in the Congo. So you can have diamonds, gold, coltan. Without the coltan from the Congo, ladies and gentlemen, you would have a cell phone. Coltan is coming from the Congo. 80% of it is coming from the Congo. Help us, ladies and gentlemen. Help us stop the Holocaust. Cell phone to get the phone number for the White House. It's free. Listen. Call the President. Tell the President to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. 9 million people have died in the Congo. Over 2 million women and little girls have been gang raped in the Congo. And then many of them burned alive. Look at the pictures, ladies and gentlemen. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Help us stop the killings in the Congo that are happening. Please, get the phone number for the White House.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Call and leave a message for President Obama. Ask him to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at the photos. Take a look at the pictures. And see what they're doing in the Congo. And see how they're gang raping in the Congo. And see how they're killing in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo since 1996. Over 2 million women and little girls have been gang raped. Many of them then burned alive. Please take a look at the pictures so you can see for yourself. We need you.
I guarantee you.
This was over an Arab country.
Ask the president to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Ask the president to remove Kabila, the dictator in the Congo.
Ain't no soldiers go over there. Yo, Miss Jenkins, give me a call. I gotta enlighten you on something. Hardly anybody came to class today, but just give me a call. I gotta tell you something. Holler back when you get a chance.
Please, we need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at the pictures, the evidence of Guy Kobo, because he's the one who allowed, financed, gave weapons to the Rwanda, Uganda, Burundians to invade the Congo, so that you can get the gold, the diamond, coltan. Without it, you wouldn't have a cell phone. So the least you can do, ladies and gentlemen, is to help us. Use your cell phone to get a phone number from President Obama and call him and ask him to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the pictures. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo, brothers and sisters. We need your help. Please get a flyer. And get a phone. Please use your cell phone to call the White House. Get a flyer, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Help us to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died in Central Africa in the Congo. Over 2 million women and little girls have been gang raped in the Congo. That many of them get killed and burned. Look at the pictures, look at the evidence. Please, ladies and gentlemen, help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help. Over 9 million have died. Help us stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, please take a minute, look at the pictures. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo, in Central Africa. If you have a cell phone, the metal that is used to make it comes from the Congo, 80%. So the least we can do is help us. Help us to stop it. Use your cell phone to call the White House. Get the phone number, it's free. Call the White House. It's called call time. So we need your help, ladies and gentlemen. You can use your cell phone to call the White House. Leave a message with President Obama. Ask him to stop the Holocaust in the Congo today. He can do it. He can require Rwanda and Uganda to get out of the Congo so they can stop the killing and the raping. They kill women and little girls, gang rape them, and then mutilate them, and some of them just burn them alive. Please take a look at the pictures. Take a look at the photos. We need your help, ladies and gentlemen. We need your help to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. We need your help to stop the genocide in the Congo. Over 9 million people have died in the Congo, ladies and gentlemen. Brothers and sisters, help us to stop the Holocaust in the Congo. Take a look at the pictures, take a look at the evidence. Get a flyer, and please, call the White House. Get the phone number for the White House, it is free. You call information, they'll give it to you. And please, we need your help, ladies and gentlemen. We need your help to stop the Holocaust. We need your help to stop it. Take a look at the pictures, the evidence we have, ladies and gentlemen, of what is happening, has been happening in the Congo since 1996. So we are here today to ask for your help. And just to let you know that the man upstairs, Bill Clinton, who has the office on the top floor of this building, is the one that allowed Rwanda, Uganda, and Burundi to invade the Congo, where they've been killing, gang raping, mutilating the people of the Congo, the innocent people of the Congo.
Bapangi ya Congo, bapangi ya Luzolo, betu meimba kunga yai na kupesa message na benu nyoso na Congo. Congo ke kwa na betu kelo Luzolo, betu Fanda, betu Solula, samu na kutuna kwa betu Congo. Congo ke kwa la bakaka. Wandugu wetu wapenzi wote wa Congo, na walikeni mukae chini muache vita. Mutie silaha chini, wapolitisia wote wa Kongo mzungumze, kaeni tujenge nchi. Basi namuita ndugu yangu wa Kasai aendeleshe.
Bata tuleba mamu, diba dia kumbanyi tuleke la bingo matusomba pashi. Letu somba kume sabu akulongolo la jitunga. Vita kaya ina pimpato. Vita lala ipita pionso.
Bata tena ba mama, tangu eshie koki. Totika bitumba, boya na mesha ni dosolona. Bitumba jena tina te. Toyoka na dosolona kintoko, pado, tozena bezo ya kimia na mboka.
Place nous bino bozali ingeta tozali ko pesa bino merci mingi pona moi 2 minutes 3 minutes bo pesa ka pona kolanda tozali ko remercier ndeko na biso boni o azako pesa biso chance ya ko transmettre ba message au sans voix à partir de Washington de New York City awa ici ka tozali devant bureau ya Bill Clinton bande ko tolobaki to telemi pe to ko telema kalibela lelo to telemeli awa nous sommes devant l'office de Bill Clinton qui est le mastermind oyo azali moko ya ba promoteur ya situation oyo tozali ko vivre na Congo. Pas ezali mingi na motema na situation tozali ko vivre na Congo. Nous ne pouvons pas nous arrêter ici pour vous raconter, pour vous rappeler et pour vous dire ce qui se passe réellement au Congo. Parce que tozali ko yoka na kati ya mitema ko mona 300 personnes oyo ba telemi ba 8 mois manduki bazali supporter à 100% na Kabila Kanambe Kabange Hippolyte oyo azali moko na bango ya extrémiste tout rwandais oyo aye ko exterminer ba congolais. Bandeko to telemaki to telemi pe to ko telemaka libela pona ko telemisa nkita ya mboka na biso. Message mingi ezali pona ba maman, les mamans congolaises oyo lelo ba komi eloko pamba oyo mobimba ya ba maman congolaises ezali ko passer na ba télévision na ba journaux na ba médias sans arrêt. Bandeko tozali ko yoka pasi mingi na mitema pe nous sommes en train de nous battre pour sortir le Congo dans cette situation. Bandeko na ngai tolobaki bitumba o tozali ko bunda ezali multiforme tozali ko bunda na ba sens nyonso bato ya bureau bazali kokota bato ya mapinga bazali kotravailler bato ya media bazali kotravailler mutu nyonso atelemi ti mokolo bakolibere mboka na biso mutu aloba te ke tolembi parce que baoyo baza koboma biso nano balembi te nazali kopesa bino ingeta mingi place bozali bana Angleterre bana Belgique bana France bana Canada bana Afrique du Sud Australie Japon bisika nyonso ba congolais bozali kotelema pona mboka ingeta biso totelemi awa lelo na New York lobi tokozala na Washington toza kotelema pona ingeta ya mboka tozali koka pasi na motema komona ke mboka lokola mboka Congo bato oyo totiaki espoir oyo topesaki makanisi oyo tobengi ba leader na biso bazali kosala eloko te. Kabila a disparu 3 fois. Avant l'élection à Bungaka, après l'élection, Kabila était disparu pendant 3 mois. Pendant les 3 mois, tu as place Kabila a quitté à Kekovanda na Uganda, à ça la plan ya kokota avec le M23. Bande que loloyo le M23 bakoti Kabila a Kekovanda na Uganda. Akimi atiki mboka na maboko ya Mende. Bongo ba leader na biso boza wapi. Ngwanda Azawapi, papa Ngwanda Azawapi, papa Etienne Tshisekedi, le président élu Azawapi, général Mounene Azawapi, John Azawapi, bande kona ebisi bino na lobaka yango pe na lobaka balobia, mesha lobaka malongate, bande kona nangai. Mboka ezana maboko ya bapaya et bato aza ko telemela mboka ezali yo, ezali ngai, ezali biso ba résistant, ba patriote pe ba combattant. Toko iko tia espoir na ba leader na biso te pe ba leader baza ko sala eloko te. Na minute biso toza ko telema na malili ba leader na biso ba vandi na banda ko climatiser banda ko chauffer baza ko lia metala biso ndenge toza ko telema libanda to ko bundela mboka na bango eza na nini. Kabila akimi mboka, Kabila akimi bitumba azana Uganda eloko nini ba leader na biso baza ko zela po ba bimisa mitu eloko nini baza ko zela po ba telemisa population. Bande kona ngai to telema to fongola miso to tika idolâtrie to tika fanatisme to telema ndenge to telemi to bundela mboka na biso parce que bato ko sikola mboka o ezali le petit peuple congolais eza ba leader na biso te parce que balakisi ki incompétence na bango balakisi ki incapacité na bango to tika makambi ya ko salela bango publicité na ba média leader boye bendeleton o boye na boye to tika makambo wana bande kona biso to bundela nde mboka to biso moko ndenge to zali ba combattant ndenge to telemi tokoyi ko sikola mboka na ke to vanda balalisaka biso bapongi to zela 3e 10e 20e colonne bazawapi 300 personnes 300 jeunes oyo batelemi na simaka banga kanambe ba criminels sont en train d'exterminer toute une population congolaise. Je vous dis merci de partout là vous êtes en train de militer pour défendre les intérêts de notre pays et le Congo nous allons vaincre vouloir ou pas. Tel que nous nous sommes mis debout, nous allons vaincre. Ingeta chez vous, na oyo soboza ko sala pona mboka na biso, ingeta tokutana na Washington. Merci mingi.
We are here to denounce everything that was behind the Holocaust in the Congo. If you have, ladies and gentlemen, please look at the pictures, look at the evidence, look at what has been done to the Congolese people. Look at what has been done to the children in the Congo, women, young men, burned alive.